What's up guys, UKTransit here. I'm in Bristol. Let me explain. Wow, this is so cool. Welcome to Bristol Temple Meads. Well, where is the ticket machine? Over there. Wow, this is so cool. So I've just picked up my railway tickets. I'm off to Cardiff. I'm off to a completely different country. I'm going on an 80X. I believe it's a Great Western Railway class 802. Now what am I doing here in Bristol? I'll explain in just a moment. As I said, I am going to Cardiff, but I will explain in just a minute what I'm actually doing. My train is in about 40 minutes time. The architecture here at Bristol Temple Meads station is absolutely incredible. I love it. This station is generally incredible. Network rail. Just look at the detail, the architecture to this station. It's lovely. Oh my gosh. This place is incredible. Oh my god, look at all of the trains. Wow. This place is incredible. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm in Bristol. This is so cool. Wow, I don't know where I'm going. Just look at this station. Wow. Wow, I'm amazed. Wow. So I think it's going to be platform 5. Look at the roof. This station's so cool. Oh my god. I don't know where I'm going. That's platform 1. But what, there should be like an 80X coming in. But this is so cool. Like, I'm generally in Bristol. Like, it's crazy. Like, Bristol is so far away from where I live. So yeah, I'm going all the way to Cardiff. So I'm really excited. I just don't know where I'm going. Like, I don't know where platform 5 is. Because look at how big this station is. Like, there's so much here.
May I have your attention?
I thought there was going to be like 4 platforms here at Bristol Temple Meads, but apparently there's like more than 15. There's so many. So I've just came down the stairs. I've been told to go on to platform 5, which I don't know where that is, but we will find it. Right, I think I've gone too far. Platform 8. Cardiff Central, here we are. This is not the right one though. That's the service from Portsmouth. Ours is from Exeter. Well, I can't find the platform any. Now there's platform 9. This is a confusing place. Oh, platform 15. Nope. Platform 10. I think I'm going the wrong way. London Paddington. I'm definitely going the wrong way. Turn around. I don't know where I am. This is so funny. Oh, I'm clearly just blind. It is this platform. Platform 5. Oh, I'm just blind. I'm sorry, guys. I'm getting lost here at Bristol Temple Meads. It's just I've never been here before. This is so cool. So I'm here on platform 5, I think this is. Platform 5. This is platform 5. They have a very interesting platform 5 sign. This is platform 5. That's really funny. So I'm getting on the 1628 service to Cardiff Central. The one before that, the 1557, is a 165. Bristol Temple Meads. Bristol Temple Meads. The architecture of this station is nothing far from amazing. I don't know if it comes across in camera. This station is beautiful. It's massive as well. I'm so incredibly amazed. Just look how beautiful this station is. Wow. So why am I here at Bristol Temple Meads? What am I doing? Why am I going to Cardiff Central? I am going to be attempting to ride every single class of Transport for Wales train, and in the coming days, if you're watching this when it comes out, in the coming days you will be seeing lots of videos on Transport for Wales, honk sign videos, but mainly you're going to be seeing I went on this class of train. In this video we're going to be riding on the 80X to Cardiff Central. This station is just so open, it is incredible. Like, honestly, it's just, everything's open. I don't know if that makes a lot of sense, but it's just open. I love it. This is the service from Portsmouth Harbour going to Cardiff Central, but I want to go on the 80X, so I'm going to wait for the next one. I don't know where Severn Beach is, but that train is going to Severn Beach. This is such an incredible experience to be here in Bristol. Voyager from Manchester Piccadilly, what a beautiful sight here at Bristol Temple Meads. This is platform 6, but platform 5 is over there. So over there is platform 5, but over here where this train is platform 6. That is what first class looks like. This is the toilet.
Please lock the door.
Oh, it's Julie Berry.
The door is now locked.
I love this door. It looks like it's made of wood, which is quite cool. The toilet looks quite nice. What was that noise? You've got tissues down there in case you need to obviously use them. So yeah, you've got no smoking or vaping. You've got water, soap and a dryer. You've got baby changing facilities, and overall it's quite a nice toilet. I do quite like it. Got safety information just here. Yeah, I love this train so far. It looks really cool. You got a lost property sign, a map of the GWR network. Oh, it opens automatically. That's cool. Caution. You've got a litter bin just here. You've got a welcome on board, Great Western Railway first class. You've got luggage racks just here. You've got a lonely little seat just there. GWR first class. A table. Yeah, this actually does look like it's worth it. I don't know if it comes with dinner or whatever, like food. This is Bristol Temple Meads. This is a Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central. But yeah, you can see this one's available if you had a first class ticket. Personally, I don't have a first class ticket, so I'm going to get out of here. I love that this bit's private. I love that it's automatic. You've got a bike area to store your bike. You've got a single toilet here. That's good. It's quite a small toilet, but it's a nice toilet. Yep. Sanitary products, litter, tissue. You've got a toilet just here. A flush button. You've got baby changing facilities. You've got an SOS button. Only press in an emergency. Please do not muck around. You've got water, soap, dryer. You've got a sink just here, and yeah, I love this thing. I love that. But here you've got Great Western Railway information, door open and close button, that kind of stuff. Just getting through that, thank you. Oh, what's happened there? Got a bike just there. And this is a crew storage area. You can find a toilet at the end of the coach or in the next coach.
Good afternoon, folks. Your 16:28 departure with the Great Western Railway to Cardiff Central. This service will call at Filton Abbey Wood, Patchway, Severn Tunnel Junction, Newport and Cardiff Central.
Yeah, maybe just for a minute. So I also do have to.
Yeah. I had to buy a ticket on the move.
The guard has just came over the intercom and said the first class section in coach D is declassified. So I'm in first class on board this Great Western Railway service. This is because today, and today only, it's declassified to help with capacity. So in first class you get a table, quite a big one, and it goes up and it goes down. I've actually changed seats now because there was some people being quite loud. But yeah, I'm in a single seat. So we're just
Please take all your belongings with you.
So we're approaching Filton Abbey Wood. We're going to go all the way to Cardiff Central on this, and I'm so lucky that the first class was declassified. So in this bit of the first class you have a table, but it doesn't go up and down like the other. You have a plug socket just here. The armrest cannot go up and down, but it could on the other seat. And I'm sitting in the seat and it's really comfortable in my opinion. I think it's brilliant actually. So a lot of people complain about the 8OX's seats being island board seats. I do agree with that in standard class.
This is Filton Abbey Wood. This is a Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central.
Personally, the first class on this train, in my opinion, is amazing, and I really like it. I mean, I just really like it, to be completely honest. I don't know if I actually had a first class ticket. I don't know if I would get free food or whatever, but the seat, to be completely honest, is quite comfortable. I really like it, and later on I'll go and sit in a standard class seat just to show you. I've actually been on 3 80Xs now, a Great Western Railway 800, a Trans-Pennine Express class 802, and now one of these, the 802's Great Western Railway. It's not available anymore.
We are now approaching Patchway. Please take all your belongings with you.
Hi there.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform, and take care when stepping down from the train.
That's great.
We quite literally just left Filton Abbey Wood, and now we're approaching Patchway. Literally, like, not even all of the train was off the platform. Like, literally only this coach was off the platform, and then it said we're now approaching Patchway. How? This is meant to be a high-speed train. So I guess I'm just testing first class on Great Western Railway now. That's quite cool, actually, because I mean, it was only £10 more for me to upgrade to first class, but... Was that the horn? That was nice. Yeah, it was only £10 more for me to upgrade to first class, but I didn't. And then the conductor comes over the intercom and says, first class is declassified in coach D for today only, just to help with capacity.
This is Patchway. This is a Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central.
On these kinds of services, they usually come round with a food trolley with drinks and snacks, which is quite cool. I wonder if they will come round on this journey. We will see.
Welcome aboard this Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central. We'll be calling at 7 Tunnel Junction, Newport and Cardiff Central. The next station is 7 Tunnel Junction.
I've got an armrest just here. I can obviously put that down. But yes, I've got so much space. Like I've got so much space, which I really like. I've just opened the door by accident. But yeah, I've got so much space here in first class, which I do love. Personally, I have social anxiety, so I don't really like talking to people. So I like that I don't have to sit next to someone else. As I may have had to do in standard class if they didn't declassify it. This route is very beautiful from what I've seen so far. I mean, I've only been on it for about 10 minutes, maybe even less, but yeah, it's quite nice. Unfortunately, I don't have a window here, as you can see, but I can see out of that lady's window just over there. So yeah, it's quite a cool journey, quite scenic by the looks of it. And obviously we're going into Wales, so that's a completely different country to England, and Wales is known for being quite scenic and quite beautiful. Now, where is my free food, Great Western Railway, and my free drinks? I would like some, as I'm sitting here in first class. On the table, for some reason, you have a slope. I don't know why you have a slope, but it's cool, I guess. This is hardly a high-speed train. We are stopping like every 10 minutes. I'm not even exaggerating, we are generally stopping roughly about every 10 minutes. I feel like this service should call at 7 Tunnel Junction, Newport and Cardiff. I don't feel like we need to stop at Filton Abbey Wood or Patchway, in my personal opinion. But obviously there's a demand for it, and that's why Great Western Railway stops there, most likely. I am absolutely loving this train ride at the moment on board this Great Western Railway Class 802, taking me to Cardiff Central. And yeah, it's really cool. I really do like it. I don't know what else to say. It's really cool. I just wish someone would come around with some food or drinks or something. Like, I don't have any money to do that. I have £5 in my wallet, but yes. I mean, normally on these kind of services, they come around with a trolley and they offer food and drinks. I wonder if you actually had a real first class ticket, I wonder if you would have to pay for the food and drinks or not, or if it would be on the house. I'm not sure, but yeah. Currently I have £5 in my wallet, so if I wanted to get some food, like a snack or a drink, I could. But I've only got a £5, so I might not be able to get too much. I've always wanted to stop at 7 Tunnel Junction and have a look.
We are now approaching 7 Tunnel Junction.
I don't know why, I just like the name 7 Tunnel Junction. I just think it's...
Take all your belongings with you.
I just think it's a nice name. I think it's a funny name.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform, and take care when stepping down the train.
This is 7 Tunnel Junction. You got Transport for Wales.
7 Tunnel Junction. This is a Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central. Welcome aboard this Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central. We'll be calling at Newport and Cardiff Central. The next station is Newport.
So I wonder, once we are in Wales, or just as we're coming into Wales, I wonder if it will say something like welcome to Wales, or if something happens, if there's any signs that say welcome to Wales, like beside the track or something. I don't know, but I'm looking forward to seeing if there is anything, because I feel like there should be an announcement which says we are now in Wales, or something like a sign on the side of the track, or like beside the track. I think something would be nice, or just a Welsh flag somewhere, I don't know, something would be nice. By the way, it's Newport, South Wales, not Newport on the Isle of Wight. I'm sure all of you know that, and I'm sure I'm just pointing out the obvious, but yes, just in case you were slightly confused. Also, this is going to be, Newport is our first station stop in Wales. I have a feeling the catering people leave at Bristol Temple Meads. I'm not 100% sure though, but if so, I'm really unlucky. We're just coming into Newport, the announcement just played.
All your belongings with you.
So yeah, the announcement just played, we're coming into Newport, so we are officially in Wales. We are in the lovely...
Mind the gap between the train and the platform, and take care when stepping down the train.
So yeah, we are in the lovely country of Wales now. The headrest in first class feels really, really, really nice. It's really squidgy, like a sponge. It actually generally just feels like a sponge. It's really nice. It feels really nice. It's really nice material, and the seat is also really nice material. Yes, there isn't a lot of padding, but it is really comfortable. But yeah, this seat is extremely comfortable. I actually generally like it.
This is Newport. This is a Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central.
But yes, I think Great Western Railway first class is definitely worth it on these trains. I think it's quite good. Now, because I want to compare the two, standard and first class, I'm going to go in standard for a minute and just see what it's like, what the difference is.
Welcome aboard this Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central. We'll be calling at Cardiff Central only.
So you have a table here in standard class. It's a lot louder and there's a lot more people here in standard class, which I don't like, obviously.
Rubbish, any empties.
This one goes up and down, unlike the one in first class. In the seat I was in anyway. The one closer to the wall didn't actually go up and down, but it does here. You have got power sockets apparently, just there. Now I will say the power sockets aren't as good here as in first class. They look a bit more fancy. I don't know how to explain it. I will say though, I'm really surprised. The seats here are a lot worse than in first class. I don't really like these seats. They are Onboard seats. The seats here are awful. So the seats in standard class are absolutely awful. The seats in first class are a lot better. Yeah, they're rock solid. You can hear it. Look at, there's literally no padding. It's so bad. So yes, I do agree when people say these trains have iron board seats. They definitely 100% do. However, in first class, it's better. Yeah, I'm going back to first class.
Oh, okay, yeah, that sounds good. I'm with Tim as well, actually.
Yeah, I'm staying here for the rest of the journey. I much prefer first class. It's much more comfortable. You've also got reservation cards here, so if you have a reservation, they might put a card in there, but it can also say on here as well.
CCTV and body-worn cameras are used across our network to help keep everyone safe. Our team is here to help. Please treat them and your fellow customers with respect.
This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it. Say it. Sort it.
I'm here at Cardiff Central, where this train terminates. Transport for Wales.
yeah, they've had a big old push out in the UK recently.
This is Cardiff Central. This train terminates here. Please take all your belongings with you.
And that was first class on Great Western Railways, 802s. This is UKTransit signing off from Cardiff Central. Like, subscribe and leave any comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. And I'll see you for lots of Transport for Wales videos.